Hi, I'm Ben Waterman with the Vermont Land Trust, and I'm here at the Bluffside Farm, and we're looking at the soils at the Wetland Restoration Project. Our goal here is to expose natural soils in their natural state as they've been for the past tens of thousands of years, performing ecosystem services and functions and filtering groundwater, preventing pollution. So the excavation has started here. It's day one of the project. And we've revealed a couple of different soil types on the site. And so it's been a really interesting study, getting to know what was here and what has been here for the last 10,000 years or so. So we have one soil is an organic soil. It consists almost entirely of organic matter. And this is the best stuff for providing the kind of ecosystem services that wetlands do best. So in other words, filtering pollutants, restoring biodiversity, sequestering carbon, all these great environmental benefits. We've exposed the natural organic soil here, and this is probably going to be the limit of the excavation in this area. And then we also have another soil type right here. It's really interesting. We've exposed what we think to be a soil, or a subsoil at least, from not just the last ice age, but the ice age before that. So it's a very old soil. It's probably about 40,000 years old. It consists of this gray material, which is mostly mineral material, as opposed to the mainly organic soil that we found before. It's also a very wet soil, so will also be part of the wetland once it's all restored.